Hello everybody, how are you today? I've got a preview of a video that I'm showing you tomorrow. It's a video of the space shuttle Atlantis landing. Anyway, take a look at it. It's really good, but the full version and plus other clips of other aeroplanes and what have you will also be in the video tomorrow. The video tomorrow goes for approximately 40 minutes, whereas this one's just a short preview of what's to come. Anyway, it'd be great if you could subscribe, and good brings good. Bye for now.
Atlantis now beginning what is known as the pre-flare maneuver. It will pull the nose up a little bit right before it hits the runway. Its speed now 320 miles per hour. The gear is down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Atlantis' nose being now rotated down toward the runway. The chute being deployed. And nose gear touchdown. Space Shuttle Atlantis now comes home to the Kennedy Space Center for the final time. 25 years, 32 flights, and more than 120 million miles traveled. The legacy of Atlantis now in the history books.